Hello everyone, my name is Sapna. I am a mentor working with one of the SRLMs. Hello everyone, I am Kusum. I am a Vitta Sakhi and I am supported by my mentor Sapna Madam. NRLM has taken the initiative of supporting women entrepreneurs in SHGs for individual enterprise loans. I and my Vitta Sakhi Kusum will discuss about different aspects related to this initiative, and we hope that you all will also find our conversations helpful. So, let's start. Introduction to Graduation Model and the Role of Vitta Sakhis. Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about the graduation model of SHG members, the need for graduation of SHG members to individual micro-enterprise loans, NRLM's efforts to support women entrepreneurs to access higher amount of credit, and the role of Vitta Sakhis. Hello Sapna Madam. NRLM has now taken the initiative to capacitate the field cater of Vitta Sakhis like me. We have to identify and support women entrepreneurs to access larger micro-enterprise loans on individual basis. But I do not understand what is the need for all this when there is already SHG Bank Linkage Program? Hello Kusum. This is a very important question. First thing that must be understood here is that this initiative on individual micro-enterprise loans is not a substitute of SHG Bank Linkage Program. SHG Bank Linkage Program is very important and will continue as always. This new initiative of NRLM is in fact to complement this already successful program and to help women members graduate upwards. Graduate upwards? What is that, madam? And how will that be done? Let me explain the graduation model to you, Kusum. Over the past 3 decades, self-help groups have played a vital role in providing access to saving and credit services to millions of households that were financially excluded. SHGs helped in building capacities and skills of women members. SHGs helped in developing entrepreneurship among members. Kusum, you would agree that due to this support and access to finance through SHGs, these women members could start, develop and expand their businesses. Their capacities have increased and now many women in these SHGs have evolved into mature and confident entrepreneurs. But now as these women manage larger businesses, they need larger credit. Yes, that is absolutely correct, madam. In my experience, in each SHG, there are at least 1 to 2 members who have now well-established businesses and are looking for larger finance. So, can you imagine across India with over 83 lakh SHGs under NRLM and close to 9 crore SHG members, how many such women entrepreneurs would be there who would be needing larger finance? Madam, if we assume 1 to 2 such potential entrepreneurs in each SHG, I would say at least above 1 crore. Absolutely, Kusum. See the chart here. There are estimated over 1 crore members in NRLM SHGs having over 2 years business experience. They have loan requirement in the range of Rs 75,000 to Rs 5 lakh. Another 1.5 crore members with lesser experience have loan requirements up to Rs 75,000 and will soon be needing more. SHGs are neither designed nor capable of providing such large credit. Hence, these women are facing constraints in accessing timely and adequate credit and are not able to grow their enterprises. Then there are 6.5 crore members whose needs are currently met by SHGs, but they are also moving up this graduation ladder faster. So this is the graduation model. As women in SHGs become mature, they move up this graduation ladder needing larger credit. But madam, why are these SHG women not able to take larger loans from banks? Kusum, these women entrepreneurs are not able to access formal credit on their own because of the lack of awareness about banking products, lack of awareness about banking processes, lack of awareness about government schemes. inability to fill banks' loan application and fulfill documentation requirements, and gender-related constraints. Thus, this initiative of NRLM is to support these women. This model of graduation finance will have multiple impacts such as on poverty reduction, employment generation, increased household income, women empowerment, increased participation of women in decision-making, and gender equality. But how is NRLM doing this, madam? Kusum, NRLM is doing this by creating a cadre of Vitt Sakhis who will be supported by mentors. Vitt Sakhis will act as key links between the women entrepreneurs and the banks. Vitt Sakhis will be supported by mentors and other field-level officials. NRLM is training Vitt Sakhis and mentors and creating various tools to facilitate them in their work. NRLM is also coordinating with banks and trying to have MOUs with them to offer customized products to our women entrepreneurs. Now I understand this initiative of NRLM and its rationale, madam. But one thing I still want clarity on is what exactly is expected of Vitt Sakhis? What is our role in this? Sure, Kusum. Let us understand the role of Vitt Sakhis in this initiative. The first role of Vitt Sakhi is to spread awareness about micro-enterprise loans among SHG members. Second, they have to identify potential entrepreneurs for micro-enterprise loans. Third, based on the profile of the entrepreneur, Vitt Sakhis have to identify the right source of credit for them. It could be SHG, fund from federation, any undrawn bank linkage money, or a bank. Fourth, Vitt Sakhis have to gather personal, household, and business data of the identified entrepreneur to prepare her loan application. Fifth, Vitt Sakhis have to coordinate and support in loan disbursement process. Sixth, Vitt Sakhis must also conduct post-disbursement monitoring of loans. This is to ensure that the loan has been properly utilized by the entrepreneur and is being repaid timely. Seventh, in case of any overdue, Vitt Sakhi must follow up and motivate the entrepreneur to repay. Really, madam, I am so excited that we are being given so many important responsibilities. Absolutely, Kusum. Vitt Sakhis are the key link in this initiative. But do not worry, Vitt Sakhis will be supported by mentors and other block and district level officials in their work. We are all together in this. Well, thank you for explaining all this to me, Sapna madam. I understand now. The graduation model, the need for graduation of SHG members to individual micro-enterprise loans, NRLM's efforts to support women entrepreneurs to access higher amount of credit, and the role of Vitt Sakhis. Hope you all found the video useful. Thank you.